All right, so today we're going to start working on the Michigan Great Lakes Food Web. You're going to want to use each of the 21 Michigan Great Lakes Food Web cards in your food web. You'll find the cards on Schoology. For each organism, you're going to want to make a drawing of the organism, and then you're going to want to label each organism. Draw arrows between the organisms showing the transfer of energy from one organism to another. Each organism can have more than one arrow, so make sure you keep it organized. Label the ends of each arrow with either consumer or producer, predator or prey, or parasite or host. So let's start our rough draft. So to begin, at the bottom of the paper, I'm going to place producers. Producers would be things like microscopic plants, algae, aquatic plants, and grass. From there, I'm going to consider what eats each of these and slowly work my way to the top. At the top, we'll have things like the great blue heron, lake trout, walleye. And what you're going to do is you're going to put all 21 cards somewhere in this, and you're going to connect them with arrows. So, for example, freshwater clams eat microscopic plants. And the arrow goes from what is being eaten into what is eating, because the energy is moving from microscopic plants into freshwater clams. What you're going to find is in this rough draft, it's probably going to be a little messier than what you're going to want to do on your final version. Once you're finished with your rough draft, what we're going to do is we're going to grab a larger sheet of paper. On the larger sheet of paper, instead of the names for each of the cards, we are going to place a name and a drawing of each. On the final version, we are going to label each end of the arrow as producer, consumer, predator or prey, or parasite or host. Parasite, have fun making your food webs.